Hello and welcome. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on Abi and I's first practical data science project, where we conducted exploratory data analysis on a dataset of the number of breakdowns and delays that occurred in public transit buses in the greater New York City area. In doing this project, Abi and I thought that the coolest point of this project was definitely using Pandas, Jupyter Notebook, and Tableau to analyze, clean, and visualize the data that we were given from Kaggle. Some key insights that we got from doing this project was definitely how although certain variables might be very closely correlated with each other, that did not mean that those variables caused each other. One important thing that we would like you to take away from this project is definitely the fact that although several companies and several boroughs were the highest risk of being delayed for number of buses delayed, that did not mean that the delay times for those specific companies and boroughs were the highest. Looking at the first question that we explored the number of delays that occurred over time. This first graph, you can see the number of delays by month, and in the second graph, you can see the number of delays by hour. From these two graphs, we can tell that during specific times of the year and the specific times of the day, there are more delays occurring than others. We thought that one explanation for this occurrence might be that more people use the roads during those times. For example, during the summer months, there are less people on the road simply due to the fact that there are not many parents bringing kids to and from school, and there are more delays during the winter months because more people are heading to airports and the conditions of the roads are worse. The second question that we analyzed was whether or not the different boroughs and the different companies impacted the delay. As said previously, we noticed that one key trend was that several companies and several boroughs had the highest delay times, but that did not mean that those same companies and same boroughs had the longest delay times. This is further explored in question 3, where we looked at how the different companies reacted to the number of delays that they had. Looking at this first graph, we organized those companies by companies who had the highest number of delays, and in the second graph, we looked at how those companies had treated and reacted to those delays. We saw in this graph that although different companies had the highest number of delays, we saw that companies who had the highest number of delays reacted to those delays much faster. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful day.